Good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm Dr.K.Brindha, in Department of Commerce with Professional Accounting. Today, I'm going to talk about objectives of a business firm in economics. The subject name is Economics for Business. The main objectives of the firm are: first one is long run profit maximization, that is, how to maximize profit in a long run mode. And satisfying, we have to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers, because the customers are the real heroes of the business. So we have to satisfy the needs, wants of the customers, and we have to satisfy the taste, preference of the consumers. Next is social responsibility. As a business person, we have to serve the society by providing facilities to the persons who are below the poverty line. Then sales maximization. How to maximize sales. Maximization of sales is the most important objective of the firm, because each and every firm works based on the profit maximization. How profit can be maximized in the sense is by increasing sales. Then organizational theory, we have to study the organization structure and what are the strategy we have framed for attaining these objectives. The next is cost plus pricing. The next, one by one, we will discuss about this. Then next is, this picture shows how to maximize profit. Shareholder, the main goal of the shareholder is profit maximization, and the manager, whereas in the case of manager, the main goal of manager is keeping the boss happy by enjoying the work, because we have to keep the employees more satisfied so that they can work hard and achieve maximum profits. Next, let us discuss about profit maximization. The main and most important objective of the firm is profit maximization, because only if an organization maximizes the profit, this maximum profit can be utilized for reinvestment. Reinvestment means we can invest in any other securities. The securities can be portfolio. Portfolio in the sense means it is a combination of securities where more variety of securities are involved. And if we invest in more securities, we'll be able to get better dividends, and it is one of the important reward for entrepreneurship. Profit maximization is most important advantage, and it occurs when marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. Profit maximization in economics means earning higher profit. Profit If more profit is earned, the shareholders will be able to get high dividend, and more profit can be used to finance research and development, because each and every organization must have a separate R&D department, that is research and development, in where they plan and they improvise more strategies for the product planning and how to maximize the sales. So we have to spend more for research and development, which gives more uh, uh, technically improvement. The next is, higher profit makes the firms to less vulnerable to take over, and it also helps the person to pay more salaries for the workers. This keeps the workers more satisfied, and they'll work hard to earn more and more. Here, the most of the firms, the ownership and control are separate, because the owner is another person and the control will be in the another person. The owner may not be directly involved in the day-to-day running of the company. The main problem is the owners may want maximum profit, whereas the managers may have less incentive to maximize the profit, because they do not get the same rewards, that is, rewards in the sense dividends. Therefore, managers may create a minimum level of profit, whereas owners will be uh, concentrating more on profit by maximizing the profits. So here the main problem among them is the owners are concentrating more on profit, whereas the managers concentrate more on dividends. The principal agent problem can be overcome by performing more and by paying more to the workers. Next is sales maximization. This is one of the most important maximization. Only when the sales increases, the profit will be able to increase, and this can occur in case if there is a increased market share, and the managers can prefer bigger companies and they can increase their market share in the case of competition also, and the growth of the supermarket will lead to stop many of the local shops. The next is growth maximization. Growth maximization involves takeovers, that is expanding the business. By in case of more level of profit, we can exhibit the monopoly power and able to set the price. Then next is long run profit maximization. Here, some firms may sacrifice profits in the short term to increase profit in the long run also. And next is social and environmental concerns. In this case, a firm may incur extra expenses to choose the product which will don't harm environment or products and not tested on animals. So in this case, we whatever goods we produce, it should not create any environmental effects. The books referred are Business Economics by Dr. S. Shankaran, Managerial Economics by Dr. S. Shankaran. Thank you all.